Do you suffer from photophobia or light sensitivity? Well, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing glasses from Axon Optics, the glasses designed for light sensitivity and migraine headaches. So let's take a look. Hey everyone and welcome, I'm Dr. Joseph Allen here from Dr. Eye Health, the channel that helps you learn about the eyes, vision, and finding the best vision products. And on this channel, you'll find a lot of educational videos as well as product reviews just like this one, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, at any point throughout the video, make sure to check out the show notes and links below for further information or anything else that I forget to mention, including extra details and specifications about these glasses. So the World Health Organization estimates that over 50% of all people globally will experience headaches, and about 30% of those individuals who experience headaches will also have migraines. And of the people who have migraines, almost 90% of those people will experience severe light sensitivity, also known as photophobia, which is why I'm so excited to talk about these migraine glasses from Axon Optics. Now, these glasses have what's called an FL41 tint. FL41 tint is actually a type of filter that shifts the light going through the lenses so that it removes any of the harsh, more offensive light while still letting the good natural light that you want to get into your eyes through the lenses. Now, these lenses are a little bit different than just wearing sunglasses, because wearing sunglasses indoors when you're really light sensitive can actually lower your threshold for bright light, and then you adapt to it so that when you take off the sunglasses, you're like really sensitive to even just the normal lights indoors. So yeah, watch out. You don't want to be wearing your sunglasses indoors too much. Studies have also shown that the FL41 tint not only reduces severity of migraine headaches, but also reduces the frequency of migraines. The Axon Optics company also reports that these glasses will help reduce light sensitivity for people with blepharospasm and suffering from visual snow. I personally find they help the most with brightness irritation from really bright fluorescent lighting, stuff that you'd see in like a hospital, something at the office, or even at the grocery store. So they might actually help you a lot if you're really sensitive to fluorescent lighting. Now, I actually do experience migraine headaches myself. Now, I don't get them that frequently. I get them maybe like 3 to 4 times a year, and they're certainly not as severe as some other people who get them like every single day. But the type of migraine I experience includes these kind of flashing lights off to my side. And if you've maybe experienced that, you're not really sure if you've ever had what's called a migraine with aura, or maybe an ocular migraine, and you want to know more of the difference, I do have another video on that, and I'll hook that up here for you in the YouTube card above, as well as in the description below if you want to check that out. But otherwise, I've actually had experience fitting these types of lenses before when I was working in the Minneapolis VA during my residency. A lot of my experience at that VA was fitting patients for TBI or working with TBI, traumatic brain injury rehabilitation. And a lot of the veterans at that clinic experienced bad migraine headaches. And so yes, we were actually trialing these type of lenses, and Axon Optics actually works specifically with the VA system, and it's really awesome that they're able to do that. Now, to review the different frames and the lenses and the different options that Axon Optics has, I'm going to kind of just start off with the base pair. Now, this is an indoor lens. So this is their indoor lens. It does kind of have like this pinkish rose hue to it, which isn't quite the same as like the yellow lenses that you get with blue light blockers. These are a little bit different, but again, they do have this subtle little red rose color, which I actually find is pretty nice because it filters out just enough of that harsh light without really dimming things down. So yeah, you know, you can tell by just how it looks on me, how kind of pink and red it is. And if you tell me what you think in the comment section below, like, is this something, a color that you think looks good on me? Is it something that you would be bothered by, you know, having this kind of pink rose look on your face? I personally think it's kind of cool. It gives kind of a John Lennon vibe. I know that when I'm wearing these lenses, I don't feel like I have to squint as much. I don't get as much digital eye strain when I'm staring at things like the computer. But, you know, it's even for as much as I've worn them, it's tough to say if it really reduces the frequency of my migraines, because again, I only get them a couple of times a year. But I know that I do actually enjoy wearing them just because I don't feel like all the lights around me are as harsh. Then Axon Optics has sunglasses. These are actually outdoor lenses. So these are actually kind of cool because they are darker. They're still the same kind of FL41, kind of that rose colored tint. Now, this FL41 tint for outdoors is excellent because it does help reduce a lot of that light sensitivity when you're outside in bright lights. But I'll tell you, when comparing it to a darker gray standard sunglasses lens, I do find these aren't as dark. They're just a step just underneath that. They're not quite just blocking out all of light. It's not super dark or anything like that. But I do find that's almost somewhat beneficial, especially on a cloudy day. Like right now outside the clinic, it's kind of a rainy, cloudy day. And so these sunglasses are actually fantastic, I think, for outdoor use. And it does reduce kind of that really bad light sensitivity feeling. They also do have lenses that are available in transitions. Those are the ones that go from light indoors and then they turn dark when you go outside and vice versa. And they are available in the same FL41 tint. So they will be the lighter colored pink indoors and then they're going to turn more of that darker kind of sunglasses tint outside. Now, I've never tried their transition lenses, but it's something you certainly could look into. There is more information on their web store, but I know it's something that I would actually kind of think about using just because you're going to be wearing the glasses indoors, and then when you head outside, you really want to switch between two different frames. Some people like to do that, like I have here, but also those transitions are a little bit more of a convenience. As far as the lens material specifically, I find they are really good quality. They're made of polycarbonate material. These ones don't have any prescription in them. They do have a nice kind of special anti-reflective or anti-glare lens that's kind of built in there. And so that's an extra benefit. So it does keep them rather clean and clear and reduces a lot of glare and extra reflections coming off, again, the computer screen, headlights, and other things like that. Actually, that is another benefit that I just thought of. Headlights, when driving and wearing either the sunglasses or even the indoor glasses at nighttime, headlights seem way less sensitive and way bright to me. So I might actually be wearing these as just driving glasses. As far as frame options, now you can purchase different frames of theirs online through their web store. They have a couple of different selections. In general, I find they are more of geared toward kind of a female look, more for women. It's true that women do get migraines more often than men do. There are a couple of different frames that are great for just, I think, for men and women. There's a couple of unisex frames. If you're going to go with the frame, this is probably my favorite, called the Jura. These are really just meant for the kind of the sunglasses for me, but you can get them in the clear indoor, the lighter color indoor lenses as well. They also have the option to send in your own frame, and they are available in just both plano lenses, like non-prescription like these ones, and they have them available for prescription glasses up to a certain point. Right now, at the timing of this video, they do not have contact lenses available. However, I know they used to have lenses available, and they probably plan on having them again in the future, but certainly, again, if you're a contact lens wearer, you're also a migraine sufferer, you can, again, check out their store, look all that information up. I've included a link in the description below. Now, as far as my personal experience wearing these lenses, I do find that they do reduce my personal light sensitivity, especially eye strain related to looking at the computer screen and the harsh blue lights coming from there, even though these aren't specifically blue light blockers. And when going outside, the sunglasses are excellent. I actually enjoy being that they're not super dark. Also, like, I've given them to my friends and they've tried them on and they even like them. Now, again, these lenses are not in my prescription. These are just plano because I usually am wearing contact lenses. In the future, maybe when the contact lenses are available, I'll give those a try and have a review on those. Now, if you're somebody who does experience photophobia, migraine headaches, I certainly think these lenses are going to help with light sensitivity. As far as helping reduce the severity and frequency of the migraine headaches, it's tough to really say. The website does claim outstanding success and has really good reviews about these different lenses helping people. It's tough to say for myself just because I don't get my migraine headaches that frequent, but it's something that hopefully you try them out and you have great success with it. Also, check out their website because they do have extra information and resources about migraine headaches, about light sensitivity, about blepharospasm, and even visual snow, and using these lenses to help with those conditions. So, eye health question of the day: do you have bad photophobia and light sensitivity? Maybe you've had a TBI. Maybe you've tried these lenses. Let us know what you think of these different types of frames and lenses. Which ones are working for you? Kind of what was your experience? Go ahead and comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you'd like to see another cool video in my playlist about eyewear education education about glasses, glare-free lenses, then go ahead and click or tap the screen right over here to the side, or if you'd like to see another cool video from Dr. Eye Health, just click or tap the screen down over here. Again, this is Dr. Joe Allen here from Dr. Eye Health, the channel that helps you with the eyes, vision, and finding the best vision products. Keep an eye on it. We'll talk to you soon.